Hi friends, welcome back to EXCELMAP. This is Srinivas Reddy. In this video, we'll create loan EMI calculator. First, we'll see what is EMI, how to calculate the EMI, and what is the present balance and principal payment, interest payment, and what is the ending balance. We'll calculate all these things. We'll discuss everything from the scratch in this video. Friends, please watch this video till end and subscribe our channel also. Here first just we'll take some values like amount and months, rate of interest. Here I'm taking 2 lakhs and number of months 24, rate of interest 11%. For this we'll calculate the EMI. So what is EMI? EMI means equated monthly installment. EMI means equated monthly installment. It is not every month installment. It is a equated monthly installment. If you wanted to calculate anything related to this loan EMI, we are going to use all financial functions. First, we'll calculate the EMI. For that, I am using a function called PMT is equal to PMT. See here. It is asking rate, that is called rate of interest, but this rate of interest we given annually, but when we are calculating the EMI, it is calculating as a monthly, so that by 12, B5 divided by 12, and number of payments, total number of payments are 24, that is 2 years. In case instead of months, if you are taking years like years too, then we need to mention like B4 into 12, but directly we are taking months only, so no need to do any kind of calculations. Then what is the present value? We are taking 2 lakhs. Now in this PMT, we are taking rate of interest and a number of payments and present value. Now we'll get the EMI amount. See, but this EMI value is giving negative. Any function from financial, always it gives a negative value only, so that just will give the minus sign in the starting, minus of minus plus. Now we'll get the positive value. So this is the amount every month we need to pay. That EMI amount is 9,321.57 for the 2 lakhs and 24 months, and the rate of interest is 11%. Now we'll apply the borders for this. Now just we got the EMI. Now we'll create the EMI calculator completely with all the things. First of all, just I'm taking months. Next, what is the monthly payment? Alt plus enter to get the new line in the same cell. Monthly payment. Next here, beginning balance, principal payment, and interest payment. Next, last one is ending balance. I'm using Alt plus enter to break the line, that is called wrap text. Ending, then Alt plus enter will get the new line in the same cell, then I'm typing balance, press enter. Okay, we'll calculate all these things now. First, just I'm taking months. First type 1 and go to the field series, Alt HFIS. Next columns 1 to 24. See, we got the 24 months. Then apply the borders. Do some kind of formatting. Now we'll calculate all these things. First, monthly payment. What is the monthly payment? Is equal to this EMI value E4. Just freeze it by pressing F4. Then press enter. For the 24 months, we need to pay this same amount for every month. And what is the beginning balance? Right now it is 2 lakhs. Next, what is the principal payment? We need to calculate. Is equal to minus PPMT. Principal payment means minus PPMT. Next, here also same rate of interest 11%. Freeze it because we need to drag till 24 months. That's why we are freezing it. And by 12 because we are converting years to months. Then per first month and number of payments 24, again freeze it. Next, what is the present value? 2 lakhs. Again, freeze it. Bracket close and press enter. See, the principal payment is 7,488.23. The total monthly payment we are paying this much, but from that this is the principal payment. Same like we'll calculate the interest payment also is equal to minus IPMT, that is interest payment, rate of interest 11%, press F4 for freezing, and by 12 per first month, number of payments 24, freeze, comma, present value, again freeze, bracket close. See here, sum of this principal and interest should be monthly payment 9,321. Okay, you can see in the status bar 9,321. Now you can take this beginning balance is equal to 2 lakhs minus principal payment. So we cannot deduct a complete monthly payment, just we are doing subtraction only the principal payment, because that interest payment we cannot calculate. So 2 lakhs minus that principal payment. See, now we got this amount, and you can drag till down this one also, this interest payment also, and we'll do same format for 2 lakhs also. See, and the ending balance is equal to this second value, then press enter. Next to autofill. See, this is the beginning balance for the first month, 2 lakhs, and after paying the payment it is 1,92,511. Okay, next if you are going to the next month's principal payment will increase because the interest payment will decrease. For the first month we are calculating for the 2 lakhs. After that we are calculating for the remaining beginning balance only. That is the reason automatically that interest payment is going to decrease. For that remaining amount, the principal payment will increase. So any month, in any month, if you are doing sum of this principal and interest, it should be 9,321 only. And finally, that ending balance should become 0 for the 24th month. See here, for the last month, principal payment and interest only 84 rupees. Why? Because we are calculating this interest for 9,236 only. That is the reason. This is how just we are creating the EMI calculator, that is a loan EMI calculator in the Excel. In that just we created this table. For that we calculated beginning balance, principal payment, interest payment and ending balance by using all the financial functions only. Friends, I will place all these formulas in the description also. You can copy from there directly and you can work on it, and it's very simple. Just if you are practicing this, then only you will understand very easily. Thank you friends. I think this video is very helpful to you. Please like this video and please do subscribe our channel.